How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking, is NordVPN a one-time purchase? Technically, yes, because you could purchase the 2-year plan and then it will renew for the rest of the time is going to be just 1-year plan. So it'll be renewing for $99.48 a year after the first 2 years. But of course, this is the best value. This is the regular discount that you're going to be getting if you go to the website without any discounts, which is $95.76 for the first 2 years, $3.99 a month. But if you click the link in the description down below, I've managed to give you guys a pretty good discount, saving you nearly $20. You'll be paying $78.96 for the first 2 years instead of $95.76. So that'll be at $316 a month, and you'll get an extra month for free. And after that, you'll be paying $99.48 a year. So keep that in mind. Of course, NordVPN will remind you of that if you'd like to cancel thereafter. So if you guys are interested in this deal, you'll find a link in the description down below. Of course, NordVPN is not really a one-time purchase, but it will renew automatically. So yeah, not really a one-time purchase, but you don't have to really manually get in there and purchase the years after the first 2 years. So okay, all right. So make sure that you check your email after your plan runs out. You'll also find a full review in the description down below, by the way. And keep in mind that all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive NordVPN for the first 30 days risk-free. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.